Hey guys, if you want to change your air filter on F150, this is 2018. I think they're similar from like 2016 and up, but this is 2018. Some body style is 2018, 19, and 2020. What you want to do is open the hood. Air filter box can be right in here. To open it, you have one here, one on this side. Then it's in here. You have to kind of shift it this way while picking it up, shifting it out, and that's out of your way. When this is out of your way, you just grab the air filter, it's like this. Mine's not too dirty. So to put a new one, just lift the box, slide it in, make sure it fits nice and flat. Same thing, put it back. What you want to do is kind of push on it and slide it this way, or hold it a little bit at an angle. Once it's all the way in and sits here, just click these and this one. Make sure it's secured. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.